Hello children. In this video we'll discuss energy or electric energy. Ability to do work is known as energy. So ability to do work by an electrical device is known as energy. Numerically, work and energy is one and the same thing. Numerically बच्चों work और energy एक ही बात है. So if we go for the formula, we know that power is equals to work or energy divided by time. Power क्या होता है? Work done upon time. That is work done per unit time. So energy will be equals to power multiply time. तो energy का formula क्या आ जाएगा? Power multiply time. As T will go to the upside or the other side and become a multiplier. So energy will be equals to power multiply time. Now it's a very simple thing. We know the formula of power is V into I. So put this formula into this equation. So energy will be equals to V into I into T. पावर का वैल्यू क्या होता है बच्चे? V into I. तो पावर की वैल्यू जब यहां पुट करेंगे तो फॉर्मूला हो जाएगा एनर्जी का V into I into T. Also, we know that power is equals to V into Q by T. पावर का अनदर फॉर्मूला क्या है? V into Q by T. तो एनर्जी हो जाएगा पावर मल्टीप्लाई टाइम. पावर का फॉर्मूला क्या है? V into Q by T मल्टीप्लाई टाइम. T is cancelled with T. So energy will be equals to V into Q. Another formula of energy, electrical energy. Next one. Power is equals to I square R. So energy is power multiply time. Power is I square R multiply time. So energy will be equals to I square R. पावर का फॉर्मूला होता है बच्चे I square R और एनर्जी का फॉर्मूला है पावर मल्टीप्लाई टाइम. तो एनर्जी हो जाएगा I square R multiply T. Also, power is equals to V square by R. So energy will be equals to V square by R. That is power multiply time. So it's a very simple thing, but if you know the formulas of power, then multiply those formula with time. Then you will be able to get the formulas of electrical energy. Now we will discuss commercial unit of energy. The unit of energy at which we sell or purchase energy. The unit of electrical energy, the commercial unit of electrical energy is kilowatt hour. This is the unit in which we pay the electricity bill. Usually if someone says, I paid the bill of 250 units last month. What do you mean by 250 units? That means the bill of 250 kilowatt hours came of that particular month. अगर हम ये कह रहे हैं बच्चे कि मैंने 200 यूनिट बिल भरा है तो इसका मतलब मैंने 200 किलोवाट आवर यूनिट बिल भरा है. उतनी यूनिट्स कंज्यूम की है मैंने उस मंथ में और उसका बिल मैं भर रहा हूं. आई एम फिलिंग दैट मच यूनिट. दैट मींस दैट मच किलोवाट आवर्स. एंड फॉर measuring of those units, measuring of those kilowatt hours, we have an electric meter installed at the outside of our houses. So those meters will calculate the kilowatt hours, and by those units or according to those units we pay the bill. We pay the electricity bill. What is 1 kilowatt hour? The combination of 1 kilowatt and 1 hour. So energy consumed by a device is said to be 1 kilowatt hour if the power rating of that device is 1 kilowatt and that device runs for 1 hour. 1 kilowatt hour energy हम कब बोलेंगे बच्चे? एक यूनिट ऑफ एनर्जी कब बोलेंगे? जब when a power device of rating 1 kilowatt runs for 1 hour, then the electricity or the energy consumed by that device is known as 1 kilowatt hour energy. 1 किलोवाट एनर्जी क्या होती है? जब एक डिवाइस जिसकी पावर रेटिंग 1 किलोवाट हो और वो 1 घंटे के लिए काम करे तो जितनी एनर्जी वो कंज्यूम करेगा या प्रोड्यूस करेगा, दैट इज नोन एज 1 किलोवाट आवर एनर्जी. सो दैट इज द कमर्शियल यूनिट ऑफ एनर्जी. नाउ we'll discuss the relationship between kilowatt hour and joules. That is between the commercial unit of energy and SI unit of energy. The standard international unit of energy is joules, work and the energy is same units, and the commercial unit of energy is kilowatt hour. Now we find a relationship in between. We know 1 kilowatt hour is equals to 1 kilowatt multiply 1 hour. 1 kilowatt means 1000 watt. 1 kilowatt is equals to 1000 watt, and 1 hour is equals to 3600 seconds. 3600 seconds. Combine these, we got this value 36 lakh watt second. This will be equals to 3.6 into 10 raised to the power 6, and watt second is known as joule. So 1 kilowatt hour is equals to 3.6 into 10 raised to the power 6 joules.